Welcome friends. In our previous tutorial, we have explored the WAMP server, and now in this tutorial we will look at the binaries. Go to My Computer, open C drive and open WAMP folder in which our WAMP server is installed. Go to the bin directory which contains our AMP, which means Apache, MySQL and PHP. We will open PHP directory. The version of PHP which we have installed and we will be working upon is PHP 5.3.5. So open that up. As you can see, all the binaries which is required to run PHP interpreter is installed here. Go to the ext folder. Here all the extensions of PHP language is given. You can download some more extensions and you can put them here, and by including them from the PHP ini, you can actually use those extensions in your application. Go to MySQL directory. This is MySQL 5.5.8. Open up bin folder. Here MySQL binaries are located. In data, all our database files are located. Go to the Apache folder. As you can see, Apache version 2.2.17. Here is the Apache installation. In bin directory, the Apache web server binaries are located. Now we are in the C drive and WAMP folder. Go to the www folder, which is our default folder for this web server. Whatever we put in this particular directory, if we make a website and put it here, we can access that from our local host, and it will act same as it is a live website. In the next tutorial, we will be creating the first web page for our AMP stack. Thank you.